Wow. I just saw your YouTube channel when you were in Ghana. You were so respectful and not flashy and flaunting jewelries. Now that I see that you're well to do, or shall I say rich, I just want to ask, why are you not like other guys? Why are you so different?
I'm from Accra, Ghana, and I work and live in Osun.
Sasa, Rockabilly just presenting you, sweet mother. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. When I dey cry, my mother go carry me. She go say, my pikin, wetin you dey cry, yo yo. Stop, 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 stop. Make you no cry again. Oh. When I want sleep, my mother go bed me. She go lie me well, well for bed. Oh. She cover me cloth, say make you sleep, 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 my pikin. Oh. When I dey hungry, my mother go run up and down. She dey find me something when I go chop. Oh. Sweet mother, sweet mother, oh, eh, oh. So my sweet mother. When I dey sick, my mother go cry, cry, cry. She go say instead when I go die, make she die. Oh. She go beg God, God help me, God help me, my pikin. Oh. Oh, my mother. If I no sleep, my mother no go sleep. If I no chop, my mother no go chop. She no dey tire her, sweet mother. I no go forget the suffer where you suffer for me, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, yeah, yeah. Sweet mother, oh, yeah. Oh, sweet mother, I will never forget you. For the suffer you suffer for me. And if I should forget you, therefore I forget my life. The air I breathe in. Yeah, so so. And there are the human on earth. Dare you not forget your mother. For if you forget your mother, you lost your life. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. Sweet mother, I no go forget you for the suffer where you suffer for me. When I dey cry, my mother go carry me. She go say, my pikin, wetin you dey cry, yeah, yeah. Stop, 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 stop. Make you no cry again. Oh.